We are here in Hamburg where the engineering team for the Questec is placed, and this is where everything started almost 4 years ago. And now we have the product Questec ready for the market. Yes, I think in the past, big batches for commodity products, that was what was making the money for our customers. Now we have to switch it a little bit and rethink, because commodity products are decreasing. And our Questec is developed for short runs, for small batches, for very easy operation and very reliable operation. So when you are looking into a new market, coming off the big outputs and going into some specialty, if it's small orders, if it's special paper, that's why we have the Questec now ready for you. Everything that is special, from white paper or fine paper, as people are saying, the commodity products, as we all know, the market is decreasing. So we are looking into converting, means cutting, specialty products, whatever that is, if it's glassine paper, if it's crepe paper, if it's metalized paper, whatever you see there, what was not easy to convert in the past, we can do it with the Questec.
BW Papersystems, part of the Barry-Wehmiller Group, is a multi-international company, big financial background. So it's a private-owned company and making a lot of efforts to look for new enterprises to integrate into this company business, and definitely looking after the people on its own and after the customers. As an international company, having the financial strength is also bringing up the multicultural awareness of different customers in different countries, and by that means looking after the end customer by their needs. And this is, I think, the most important topic, looking for the needs of our customers and the new market trends, and having the capability with the R&D department in between to find solutions for these new needs, because we are in a highly revolving market situation, changing from graphical papers to specialities. So also in our group, there's a lot of change ongoing and looking for new markets and new products. And for this, we are ready to go.
You can start with the Questec with a 1 pallet order, for example, or 1 reel order, whatever you like. So to bring in a reel, because we have a 1 web production only, 2 pockets, 3 pockets or 4 pockets, that's your choice. But for 1 web operation, you bring in the reel, you start the machine, and as I say it, within 30 seconds, you can start to produce your pallet, even half a pallet. That is so easy with this machine, because it's so small footprint. 1 operator can handle at least 1 machine. And that's what I mean with short orders, quick orders, side orders. If you're running conventional sheeters, have your conventional sheeters run, place a Questec beside, and you are ready for every small batch, for every special product, for everything you need on shorthand, and you can serve your customer with that. We have a belt-less technology. That means we don't touch the paper. So when your paper is sensitive, comes off in order of surfaces or whatever, the Questec is a good choice. When you have a print mark cut, for example, the accuracy is top-notch. That is unbelievable what we can cut after print mark, after watermark. All those special products we can convert to you in a glimpse. That's easy to do. And as I said, it's just 1 operator, because the whole sheeter is within 10 meters length, and that's incredible. We are running 400 meters per minute with 1 web, and that helps you to be super flexible, and that serves your customer in shortest time.
In the past, the big size machines, you needed to invest a lot of time to run an order. With the recipe control of the Questec, you have all the main storages of how to run the equipment inside of the machine. So regardless of the operator standing in front, you take the recipe for this product, which can be any type of paper-based material, and you just bring the reel into the machine, start and click. And this is the other tendency. You don't find these high sophisticated operators anymore. So you have to bring the knowledge of how to run the equipment into the machine. And this is also part of the technology which is now being implemented, to take people from the street and make them the use of our machine to produce the paper you need.
It's not only the converters and not only the paper mills that we are looking for, but also the printers. Printers do have short runs, more and more, and printers are demanding quick delivery of this size they need. And that's what we are looking into. There is another very interesting market we see, that a web-fed print, for example, can be combined with a Questec. So having the web-fed print in combination in line with a Questec sheeter, you can run up to 400 meters per minute, and your output will be increased. So you can look for your sheet-fed printers. They can run the small orders. The printers can make advantage of our inline Questec by taking the Questec inline to a web-fed print. And that's absolute a novum in the market. Asking all printers, think about changing to a web-fed print and take your big orders from your sheet-fed prints, so that your sheet-feds can make the small orders, and we with the Questec together make the big orders.
Exactly. This is one of the big success stories, that the customer who was helping us to bring this machine in industrial level is now taking the second machine into his portfolio. And this is also one of the key issues of operation, because he will do it with the same operator. So one machine operator will be capable to handle both Questec machines simultaneously. And the need for the second machines definitely shows the topic to move to smaller orders and different type of working batches. Again, the topic of running different kind of materials with low preparation time, click-on-demand machines, which was a tendency which we have seen years back, and now this is our technical answer to this market development. We are not looking only on mill sites, we are looking at small converters, family-owned business who don't have the capability to have high inventory. So the inventory topic, to have fast on-demand spare parts supply, to have remote diagnostic, to get technical support, even being there physically. These market trends also have been implemented in this machine to serve these customers. Definitely listening to the needs of our customers and looking for new markets. So there's a lot of companies running web-based materials on whatever type of equipment, to identify them and to make them aware of the technology which is now available to run also film materials and other paper-based subtracks, which we ourselves have never believed to convert before. And there's a big market for this.
Absolutely. I think the market is changing so dramatically. Production needs more choices, more different thinking of how to produce, how to convert paper. And at the end, we all want to have a wonderful stack of sheets with high precision and with best quality you can see in the market. We at BW, we are a big company, and we have a lot of developments in our hands. Questec is one of them, and you will see more to come. That is the good thing, that we are developing, that we are listening to our customers very strongly, and our management is forcing us to make machines ready for new markets. And that's the Questec for, definitely.
At the moment, we are honestly the only one to bring this type of technology into the market. And this is the market of the small converters, and the mills are going down to bring the products to small converters, to niche products and orders which they, by the infrastructure, can't cope with a high level of automatization. And with this type of machine, meeting these demands and make it adjustable and affordable for small family-owned business. This is the time for everybody to invest in this type of technology to be part of the success story. Absolutely. The order book is ready.